It's raining. Hey, look, the sun is here. What is that? Hey, friends, you know what's that? That's a rainbow. You know how rainbow is formed?
Yes, the rainbow comes from being drawn in the drawing book.
No, bad joke. Come, let me tell you about how a rainbow is formed. First, what is rainbow? When sun shines after the rain and sunlight passes through suspended raindrops, it splits into 7 colors. Cure. That is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red, which is known as rainbow. You can usually see rainbows in the sky for an hour. Rainbows are one of the most admired meteorological phenomena across the globe. But how are they formed? Rainbows are formed when light from the sun is scattered by water droplets, that is, raindrops or fog, through a process called refraction. Refraction occurs when the light from the sun changes direction when passing through a medium denser than air, such as raindrop. Once the refracted light enters the raindrop, it is reflected off the back and then refracted again, as it exists and travels to our eyes. Sunlight is made of many different wavelengths or colors that travel at different speed when passing through a medium. This causes the white light to split into 7 different colors. Longer wavelength appears as red and shorter wavelength appears as blue or violet. We see the color spectrum of the rainbow as the light passes through the raindrop at different angles. The angle of scattered from raindrop is different for everyone, which means that every rainbow is unique to the observer. However, for the observer to see a rainbow, they must be in a specific position relative to the sun and water droplets. The observer must be positioned so the sun is behind him. Lower the sun in the sky, the more of an arc of a rainbow the observer will see. It must be less than 42 degrees in the sky. Water droplets such as rain or fog must be in front of the observer. Hence, rainbow formation is the combined phenomena of refraction, internal reflection and dispersion. So, now whenever it is raining, look out for the sun. Who knows, you might spot a rainbow. Ta-da!